guys, welcome back to Dharani Creation. Today I'm to make a POV display. Let's see how to make it. Connect all LEDs to the GeoPCB board. Let's solder all LED negative together. Connect 1K resistors to the GeoPCB board. Connect our LED positive to Arduino Nano D2 to D9. Solder jumper wire to LED negative. And connect to ground pin. Stick all the components on a plastic scale. Select the board as Arduino Nano. Select the port as COM7. Select the processor as Atomic Old Porter. Now we can upload the code. Take our board. I have stick on a PVC pipe on our board. I have connected motor to the speed regulator for the motor. Let's glue it. I have connected phone battery for the Arduino Nano power. Let's test it. Let's spin it. It's working. The YouTube letters are visible. Our project is done, guys. If you like this video, click the like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe to Dharani Creation. We can see you in the next video.